Cocktail bitters are the salt and pepper of your cocktails. You add bitters to your cocktail to draw out the flavor. Hi, I'm Derek Schomer of Common Man Cocktails and owner of AwesomeDrinks.com. Welcome to my 3-minute cocktail video series. You can check out more videos just like this at AwesomeDrinks.com/3. So what is a cocktail bitter? It's a combination of an extraction agent, often alcohol, sometimes glycerin, a bittering agent, gentian, wormwood, cherry bark, as well as fruits and or spices, such as citrus peels, star anise, cacao, walnuts, cherries, and the exact recipe will vary from company to company. Angostura bitters, as a good example, has been around since 1824. It uses a secret recipe apparently only known by about 5 people. You'll find every company has their own recipe, making it nearly impossible to be satisfied with a single bottle. Regan's Orange Bitters, by now late Gary Regan, has a citrus and orange infusion. Scrappy's Chocolate Bitters, it's doing what it's telling you. It's got some chocolate and some bitter. You can use cocktail bitters to build your signature drink, to enhance an already established drink, or to fix an unbalanced or broken drink. Jerry Thomas, there's Jerry Thomas Bitters, an aromatic bitter. He helped enforce the original concept of a cocktail. In 1892, he defined a cocktail as spirit, sugar, water, bitters. That's it. By this definition, many classic drinks, which we'll show you in the next video for the Sazerac, utilize bitters as part of its signature flavor profile. However, you can use bitters to enhance an otherwise fine, well-established drink. Grapefruit bitters to a champagne cocktail, or just champagne. An aromatic bitter with cinnamon and allspice, kind of like Angostura, can give your drink a more interesting finish. Or the use of, say, chipotle bitters or something like that in your margarita gives it a more delicious flavor. Cocoa nibs, little coffee, little spice, like a mole sauce. And you can use it to fix some of those broken cocktails, or those cocktails that have a little bit of a hollow flavor profile. Let's say in the mid-quarter of the drink, you're like, it's just missing something. Boom, maybe something like a Trinity Bitters with the citrus and the cherry bark vanilla will help. You don't have to have every single bottle of bitters, but having a wide array of bitters allows you to create those interesting drinks from scratch to enhance some of your other drinks, or maybe you found a broken drink. It just doesn't taste right. You could try your bitters to see how you can enhance or change the flavors, or maybe it's just a lost cause, but it's always worth a try. And lastly, I want to suggest celery bitters in your next daiquiri. It completely changes the game. That's it. Down in the corner, a link to the bartender starter kit. Start yourself mixing today. Go to awesomedrinks.com/3 and you can see more 3-minute videos and enhance your knowledge. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.